English Standard 8th poem Vocation written by Rabindranath Tagore. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on, there is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." Vocation. This is a poem by Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore. It describes the innocent wishes of young boy who wants freedom from his daily life, where he is longing for something and he wants to break the rules of the daily life. In the first paragraph, the speaker, who is a young boy, at 10 o'clock every morning, when he is walking to school, he meets a hawker in his lane. The hawker cries out, "Bangles, crystal bangles." The boy feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no fixed road he must travel by, no place that he has to go to, and no time when he must get back home. The boy wishes that he was a hawker, calling out, "Bangles, crystal bangles." When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets backed in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. In the second stanza, when the boy comes back from school at 4 in the afternoon, he sees the gardener digging the ground in the nearby house. The gardener does what he wants to do with his spade. No one scolds him if he gets his clothes soiled, or he gets backed in the sun, or gets wet. The boy now wishes to be a gardener, digging away in the garden with no one to stop him. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in his head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. In the evening, just as it gets dark, the boy's mother sends him to bed. Through the open window, he can see the watchman walking up and down in the dark and lonely street. The street lamp stands like the giant with one red eye in his head. The watchman swings his lantern as he walks, his shadow beside him. The boy thinks he never goes to bed in his life. He wishes he could be a watchman so that he could walk freely at night, chasing away all the shadow with the light of his lantern. Now, from his wishes, we can see the boy is longing for complete freedom. He wants to lead a carefree life. Thank you.